Feeling I might be opening up a can of worms with this video, because I've always advocated not to use power washers, pressure washers, jet washers, whatever you want to call them, on motorcycles. But MUC OFF released their pressure washer earlier in the year, and people that even agree that pressure washers shouldn't be used on bikes have been asking me the question, what about the MUC OFF power washer? Are you going to try it out? Are you going to make a video? Now, I have come to accept that I am a little bit stuck in my ways these days. It's been a few years since I retired from owning a body shop. I am a little bit out of touch with all the latest products and methods, and it became apparent, especially with the motorcycle dryers, that attitude, if you like, was causing me to miss out on improving my methods and finding better ways of doing certain things. Now, your common old garden power washer has been available as a consumer product for 25 years plus. And I reckon over the decades I have seen people cause literally hundreds of thousands of pounds worth of damage to motor cars, motorcycles, patio furniture, you name it, people will use them for everything. Power washers were originally an invention for industry, for the cleaning of heavy plant machinery and industrial uses, but the pressure that the lances produce on these machines is potentially very dangerous. I've seen people severely injure themselves with them. They will blast out grease from bearings, damage delicate rubber seals, and generally force water into places where it shouldn't be. Now, in the past, and I can pretty much guarantee in the comments section on this video as well, I've had the keyboard warriors jumping in with, well, it's all a matter of common sense. If you do this and you do that and you do it this way and you do it that way, you're not going to cause any damage. It's not rocket science. And fair enough, in skilled, informed hands, a pressure washer can be a useful tool. But human nature is human nature. A very similar set of laws, rules and cautions are attached to the riding of a motorcycle. Yet thousands of people are killed yearly on the roads around the world because they've either ignored those laws and rules or they simply weren't aware of them. And I can guarantee that if I recommended the use of power washers for washing your bike, first of all, I would get lynched in the comments section by people that don't advocate the use. And then for as long as that video runs, I will regularly get comments from people who say they took my advice, they bought this power washer or that jet washer, and they punched a hole in the seat, filled the clocks up with water, and at the last service all the wheel bearings etc. had to be replaced because water had got inside and rusted and disintegrated. Which is why I've been hesitant in making this video. Now, MUC OFF have been making bike cleaning related products since 1994. Most of them I like, some of them I don't like, but generally speaking, I do find that they tend to take a very well informed and practical approach to the design and development of their products. And when I first heard about their motorcycle friendly power washer, it did pique my interest. Unfortunately, when it was first put on sale, their entire stock sold out within 72 hours, which I think caught them a bit by surprise. So there has been a substantial wait for them to come back in stock again. Now, the idea behind this pressure washer is that by means of specially designed lances, it produces a usable high pressure stream of water which cleans more effectively than your conventional hose pipe and therefore cleans more efficiently but is reduced down to the point where the likelihood of causing damage is negligible. A difficult thing to design in my mind, because if you reduce the pressure that it produces, at what point is it no longer a pressure washer and is simply an assisted hose? Is it actually worth having? Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's see. Now, initially when they released this, I think you could buy the pressure washer on its own with the lances, and then you could get the dry bag and some additional lances along with their MUC OFF bike cleaner as an optional bundle, and they also sold those accessories separately. As far as I can see on the website at the moment, they're only selling the bundle. So with that, you get the pressure washer with 3 lances that I'll go through in a moment, a foaming attachment, the dry bag storage bag, and 1 litre of MUC OFF cleaner and a further 1 litre of MUC OFF concentrate that makes up another 4 litres of cleaner. Not bad value for money at the current price. Now, when you get the pressure washer out of the box, there is a little bit of self-assembly required, but it's not that involved. You need to attach the carrying handle, which just secures in place with 2 self-tapping screws, and attach the cable winder, which again requires just 1 self-tapping screw. Other than that, it's just a matter of taking the various fixtures and fittings out of the box and putting everything together as you would with any other pressure washer. Now, I do already have a pressure washer, and I think it's about 10 or 12 years old, something like that. And it may be the case for all pressure washers nowadays, but this one does incorporate the nice feature of self-locking push-fit connections for your pressure hose, which is better than the old type that you used to have to screw on. It made it a pain in the neck to take it all apart when you'd finished using it. Other than that, it's all pretty conventional pressure washer technology. But MUC OFF say that this particular pressure washer was designed from the ground up to be used with bicycles and motorcycles. Now, the unit itself does pump out a water pressure of 1400 psi, which is pretty much in line with most pressure washers in this sort of price bracket. I think where most of the research and development has been spent is on the actual lances themselves. It comes with 3 lances, 1 suitable for bicycles, 1 suitable for motorcycles, and a more conventional general purpose adjustable lance. Probably the sort of thing that you would use for removing moss and dirt from your patio. It also comes with a foaming attachment, and I do actually find this aspect of this pressure washer really useful. The bicycle and the motorcycle lance are both clearly labelled, and all the lances seem to be made from some sort of high quality composite material rather than your usual injection moulded tat. Everything has a good quality feel to it, and the eye-catching design on the actual power washer itself is unmistakably MUC OFF. The foaming lance is designed to accept a standard MUC OFF cleaner bottle, and it is designed to be used with standard MUC OFF cleaner. And I actually found that with this application using the foamer in conjunction with the MUC OFF cleaner, you actually use much less of the MUC OFF cleaner whilst getting a better coverage than using the MUC OFF cleaner with the standard trigger spray. I wasn't expecting that, and it was very welcome. A couple of years of regular washing with this unit and the savings in MUC OFF cleaner alone are going to pay for it. The foaming head is adjustable, but I found that it's best left on its lowest setting. You get a good rich foam from it, and it uses a minimum of the solution. Now, the way this works is it mixes the MUC OFF cleaner, water and air together and emulsifies the solution. The idea being that this rich thick foam adheres to the surfaces of the motorcycle rather than it just running off as it does using it the conventional way. That allows more contact time between the cleaner and the dirt. This allows the MUC OFF cleaner to act more efficiently on the dirt that's attached to your bike. Leave it for 5 minutes as you would normally do and then rinse off. Now, the T120 wasn't particularly dirty because I've not used it an awful lot this summer, but it was dusty and grimy through just sitting in the garage. And one application of the foam followed by a rinse off 5 minutes later was all that was required to bring it back to life. Now, the motorcycle nozzle is interesting. It's a really useful compromise. It would of course depend on your mains pressure, but I estimated that it was 4 or 5 times more powerful than a standard hose, whilst being substantially less powerful than a standard lance. Under normal circumstances, this gives you more than enough pressure to blast off dirt and get into those hard to reach areas. Although I'm not saying that it will exclude having to use some form of agitation on certain areas of the bike from time to time. The motorcycle lance gives a really useful fan size for economical cleaning. You're not going to use an awful lot of water up cleaning your bike. But the biggest takeaway for this lance is that I'm quite confident it's not going to cause any damage, providing you take the same sort of precautions that you would take if you were using a hose pipe. Be careful around your clocks and your switches, and if you own a Triumph, stay away from the front and rear axle because Triumph don't grease them at the factory. In fact, if you have a Triumph, new or old, the first thing I would recommend you do is take the axles out and grease them up. In conclusion, I have to say MUC OFF have hit the mark with this washer. And yes, I think I can recommend it for cleaning bikes. It does substantially cut down the amount of time and the amount of chemicals that you would normally expend on cleaning your bike, while still providing you with a very safe and very thorough clean. It won't completely remove the necessity to use wash mitts, sponges, cloths, whatever you normally use to agitate heavily soiled areas, but I do believe it will cut that down substantially, which has got to be a good thing long term for the finish on your bike. The great thing about it, with the inclusion of the 3 lances as well as the foaming nozzle, you haven't just got a pressure washer that is only suitable for bikes and bicycles. It's still an all-rounder that can be used on your car, on your patio furniture, whatever you would normally use a pressure washer on. Right, I had a quick look on Amazon just before I made this video because I wanted to try it out on the car as well. And I found that MUC OFF do make their own version of snow foam. Now, snow foam's been around for a couple of decades from various manufacturers, and I've always avoided it because in a lot of cases, especially with some of the earlier examples, it was very caustic and it would dull paintwork over time. Looking through the specifications of MUC OFF's snow foam, that doesn't seem to be the case. So I thought I would give it a try. It's not cheap, it cost me £30 for a 5 litre bottle, and I reckon you'll get about 15 washes out of that. So that's about £2 a wash. It is really nice stuff. It smells pleasant, it's got a cranberry scent to it, but most importantly, it cleans without stripping wax off, which was the main thing that I was looking for. I don't see any reason why you couldn't use this on your bike as well as your car, but in either eventuality, if you do use this machine for washing your car as well as your bike, I would still stick with the motorcycle lance. I would never recommend washing a car with a full power washing lance. Right, last but not least, that lovely storage bag that comes with this bundle. First things first, before you attempt to put your power washer away, and this applies to all power washers, disconnect it from the water and the electricity, and then pull the trigger on the lance to release any internal pressure in the machine. This takes the stress off the internal seals and allows them to last longer. Also, in cases, especially at this time of the year, where the unit might freeze, it substantially reduces the risk of ice expansion damaging it inside. Now, this dry bag that comes with this bundle, I was really impressed with it. As we all know, these machines continue to drip water for hours after you've used them, and confining it inside a dry bag like this is the perfect way to protect your surroundings in storage, which I suppose is especially important if you have to keep it inside your house. Not only that, it protects it from dust and it will protect it from minor knocks and bumps, as well as keeping everything neat and tidy and providing adequate storage for all the accessories and bits that come with the washer. It's a really well made bag, well up to the job, with room to store all your bits and pieces. It's a nice touch and a really sensible way of storing a power washer when it's not in use. all in all, this is a really good all-round pressure washer cleaning package. As pressure washers go, I'm finding it difficult to fault it, to be quite honest. It does exactly what MUC OFF say it will do and more. Christmas is coming, and if you're looking for the perfect Christmas gift for the biker in your life, I think they'll be pretty excited to find one of these under the tree this year. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate the time that people take to view this channel. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll leave a link to MUC OFF's website for this bundle for anyone that's interested in having a look, and also for the snow foam. I will of course be back next week, so until then, please ride safely and I'll see you soon.